Hello children, good morning. I thought that I must teach you one poem through this video. In the 10th class, the first poem is Dust of Snow. It is written by Robert Frost. The poem is very simple and very short, but symbolically it has a deeper meaning. It expresses the significance of smaller things which impact our thought process for the future. The poet is standing under a hemlock tree. It is snowing. Soon a crow sitting on the tree shakes it, and snow flakes fall on the poet. This changes his mood, and he spends the rest of the day far from being unhappy and sad. So, the poem teaches us that one small incident can change our mood and our whole day. So, in this poem, there are two important things, that is hemlock tree and crow. Both are considered negative. Nobody appreciates them. But there is contrast also. We can see the contrast in the poem as it is also between what appears to be true and what is the ultimate truth. The snow which falls on the tree from the hemlock tree upon the writer, that incident gives happiness to the writer. It changes the mood of the poet. The irony is seen in the poet's use of hemlock tree and rue processing poison, yet giving the poet much desired happiness. So this was the central idea of the poem. Now I would like to explain the first stanza of the poem. It goes like this: The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. This is from line 1 to 4. So dust of snow. What is the meaning of dust of snow? It means particles of snow. Hemlock tree means a poisonous plant. Nobody, we can say, keeps this hemlock tree in their house, okay, for any reason. But we can see this plant here and there. It grows automatically. So here in this stanza, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Me means the writer. Who had shaken the tree or branch of the tree? Crow. So the poet recounts a small incident that changed his mood. He was feeling depressed and hopeless. He was standing under a hemlock tree. A crow sitting on it shook the tree, and snowflakes fell on the poet. This changed the thought processes of poet. He spent the rest of the day happily. So here we can find some important questions from this first stanza. The name of the poet of the poem is Robert Frost. Second, what did the crow do to hemlock tree? What did it do? It shook the hemlock tree. The tree then had on it. The tree was having on it snow. Where was the poet then? He was under the hemlock tree. So these are the answers of the questions. Now let me explain from line 5 to line 8. He has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Okay, what is the meaning of rude? Rude means was in anger. So the explanation of these lines: When the snowflakes fell on the poet, his mood all of a sudden was changed from state of sadness to happiness. He felt refreshed. Earlier he had been spoiling the day. Now he started taking an interest in spending it without any tension. This small incident saved the rest of the day from being wasted in disappointment. So, this is the explanation. Now, see the questions of this stanza. First question: what had given the poet a change of mood? So, answer is falling dust of snow. Second question: the crow did something to the hemlock tree. So, what did the crow do? It shook the tree. Third, what did the poet think of that day? Answer is he. What did the poet think of that day? So, he pitied it. Means he was not so happy. What happened to the poet's rude after about the day? He stopped its going worse. So this small incident, falling of snow from a hemlock tree upon the writer, because the crow shook the branch of the tree, that small falling of snow on him changed his mood. He became happy and he saved many part of the day by this small incident. So in our life also there are many incidents which seem to be very negative, but ultimately our mood is changed because of these small things. So this poem teaches us to be optimistic in our life. So we can see many short questions like we have discussed, but some long questions also you can prepare, like what happened when the dust of snow fell on the poet? How did it change his mood? So the whole incident you will describe here. Why did the poet say that the dust of snow made him rue the day? Why did the poet say that the dust of snow made him rue the day? So you can write the reason why he was spoiling his day, what was the reason, and how the day was saved. How this small incident changed his mood and he became happy, and rest of the day was converted into happiness. Thank you.